Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
In grade 10, pronouns are understood as words that replace nouns in a sentence, avoiding the repetition of the same nouns. These include personal pronouns, he, they, possessive pronouns, his, their, reflexive pronouns, himself, themselves, relative pronouns, who, which, and demonstrative pronouns, this, those. The curriculum emphasizes the correct use and understanding of various pronoun types, their functions within sentences, and their importance in creating clear and concise communication. Recognizing and using pronouns effectively is a key component of mastering English grammar at this level.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.